This is your friendly neighborhood Jesus freak, and once again, I'm your friendly neighborhood retro freak. Coming home from an appointment and got word that just after I left, a package I've been waiting for has come in and should be on the porch. And knock on wood, we'll see if it's there. I'm recording this part of the video while I'm in no position to use my camera, so I'm sorry about that. Anyway, what you're seeing is two Macintosh LCs. Actually, one LC and an empty case, because I gutted the one on the bottom. The working LC, the one you saw in my last video, is probably the old computer I have in the best shape. It's not stock. It's had a memory upgrade, and I personally installed the emulator card in the back. But almost all the hardware is period correct, more or less. The obvious exception is the monitor. It's a 12-year-old monitor matched with a 28-year-old computer. And that would be thanks to a $2 eBay special you saw in the last video, which hangs off the back of the machine. You see, Apple wanted to sell Macs, but the vested interest schools had in their older 2E kept them buying 2Es. This put Apple in a bit of a quandary. Their ultimate answer was to create a Mac for the education market that was also a 2E, to allow a transition from the old world of the 2E to the new world of the Mac. This came out in 1990 when the 2E was 8 years old, and the 2 series in general was 13 years old. It was by any standard an El Cheapo Mac. It was meant to be LC, low cost. Angel's in here with me. Two, three, 6, 7. All right. Looks like we got a non-functional floppy drive. So after doing some work on this computer over the past couple hours, I got some good news and some bad news. The bad news is I couldn't boot any of the disks, so I couldn't reformat the hard drive. Instead, I just deleted everything except the basic system. The bare minimum needed to get the thing going. The good news